Hello guys, welcome back to Chef Lee Food Channel. Today we're going to be making something special. We're going to be making a simple beef sauce you can use to eat maybe your rice or whatever. The choice is all yours. So the meal we are going to make it today is going to be something very simple and unique. The ingredients needed are easily accessible. But before we continue, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and give us some thumbs up if you like what we do, so we can continue making content just like this. So let's dive right to it. We're showing you some ingredients of things that we need to get this started. So guys, as you can see here, we have spring onions over here. We have a yellow bell pepper. We have orange, green, red bell pepper. Here we have our cornstarch, carrot, white onions. Then we have our parsley. We have our ginger. We have our garlic, vegetable oil. Of course, we have the beef itself. We still have some other dry spices we'll be using, but I will let you know along the line. Right here, let's cut up the beef. So you can take any shape you like, but for me, I want to be shredding the beef. So, but for you, if you want it in form of meatballs, it's all up to you. So guys, let's marinate the beef. So get a bigger bowl and throw in the beef. Next, we go in with some chopped garlic, some chopped onions, white onions. Though it's quite optional, you can use any spice combination you like. This is some parsley, finely chopped. So we go on with some dry ginger, a little bit of curry. Then we have black pepper, and you can use vegetable oil, but personally I like using olive oil to marinate. Then with some olive oil and some soy sauce. Then with some soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and then lastly go with some seasoning cube, and then you stir properly. You stir the whole mixture properly and allow to marinate. You can set it aside in your fridge and allow to marinate. You can allow it to marinate for like maybe 30 minutes. Check out. Now it's been 30 minutes now, so let's stir fry the meat and while we got our vegetables. So let's get it over with. So I like cooking with my wok, so I'm going to be using a wok for this, but you can use your pot, you can use your pan, any one of your choice. But for me, wok is my choice. With low to medium heat, let's add some vegetable oil. So add our garlic, just a single clove of garlic. We saute the garlic just a while. You can use 2 cloves, but I just want to use just 1 clove. Next, go in with our white onions. We saute the white onions. Just can do this for like 1 minute. 1 minute is enough. Next, we're going to be adding our marinated beef. So, mind you, we're using low to medium heat. Everything very well. This is very nice right now. Flavor. I would have marinated this with scotch bonnet pepper, but if you have done that, at this point you might not be able to be in the kitchen. So I'm going to be adding it later. going to allow it to cook while stirring for 2 minutes. Then we'll add a little water and allow it to cook gently. So after a few minutes, you can see the beef has brought out its own water. So I'll go in with my spring onions just a little. I think I want to add a little bit of more soy sauce. Then a little bit of ginger. At this point, I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper just for the heat. You know, the Africans, they always like it very, very hot. If you have added this earlier, you're not ready to throw in the system. This will be hotness. So at this point, we are going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So the beef will be well done. While the meat is steaming, let's cut our vegetables. So I'm shredding the vegetables, long shreds. So we'll chop our parsley. Make it very fine. So next, let's slice up our ginger. Though I've added some dry ginger, but I like to add some chopped ginger to the whole mix. Flour, so let's add some water to it. This is just for thickening. That's all it's for thickening. So add some water. Well, it's been 5 minutes. Let's go over to our pot and see how it's doing. Ooh, that's steaming hot. As you can see, well, I want you to have a little bit more sauce, so let me add some water to it. That is okay. Now, give it a little stir and add some of the cornstarch. Don't add too much though, just a little, and wash it. If it's not thick enough to your taste, you can then add some more. So now we can cover it and allow it to steam for a while it thickens. Then we go in with our vegetables. So let's go in and throw in our vegetables. So let's throw in our ginger, chopped ginger. Just throw in all the vegetables, spring onions. Select my vegetables first. Some orange, red bell, some yellow. You can see how colorful it is. Some red bell, some green bell pepper. Let me add some more of those parsley. Oh, this kitchen smells so amazing. So guys, just allow it to steam for like 1 minute. As you can see, our sauce is done. So here comes my favorite part of the cooking, which is the tasting part. So let's get it over with. So guys, you can serve with any one of your choice. For me, white rice, my choice for today. Can't wait to dig in. I'm so hungry. Look at that. So beautiful. Can you see that? Here comes the best part, which is the tasting part. So
wow. This is presentable. Wow. This is good. Let me have a taste. This is good.